YData Fabric is a powerful data preparation platform that allows you to transform and clean your data. In the SaaS community version, you can find the data catalog in a collaborative experience, where you can just browse through the data quality view and warnings of your data, and of course have all the details in terms of the profiling. But any preparation or data-centric AI flow wouldn't be complete without synthetic data. And here, in a community version, you can have the access to a very easy to use GUI, where you can not only generate synthetic data, but also compare the outputs. The synthetic data can help you enable data sharing initiatives, but also mitigate problems such as biases or imbalanced data. But what excites me the most is what is new. And in this case, we enable you to integrate your most beloved tools with our ecosystem. Yes, you heard it right. Now, with Python, you can integrate your scikit-learn workflows with synthetic data and even data quality profiling. The data-centric AI flow wouldn't be complete if it was not versionable, comparable, and of course scalable. And that's exactly what you can find in the YData Fabric pipelines. You can generate as many runs as you want, with as many data preparation decisions as you need, and compare them and see the impact they have for your business. But don't just take my word for it. YData Fabric is helping many data scientists, and perhaps you can be next. Are you ready to streamline your data preparation process and focus on analysis and insights extraction instead? Try YData Fabric for yourself. Sign up for our community version today and experience the benefits firsthand.